The class of 2024 had their senior day of service Friday, April 12th, right before they head to Disney World. Seniors from Cherokee High School go around South Jersey and perform different acts of service. I talked to Prof. Taneja about what Senior Day of Service means to him.
Senior Day of Service for me means to help our community and show that the Cherokee students and future ones are going to be there to help. So people like police officers or librarians who usually don't get a lot of help from other people, we get to go to them and then show that we are there for them and we appreciate what they do every day.
Some students went to old schools that they attended when they were younger. I talked to Sam Levin about what it meant to go back to his old elementary roots.
I went to Beeler because that's where I went to elementary school from first grade all the way to fifth grade. That was a place that I really started to find myself and my friends, and I felt I used to always love when the seniors would come to Beeler throughout my 5 years there, so it was cool and surreal for me to be the senior being back at Beeler.
Cherokee's senior class of 2024's year is winding down, but they're still making the most of it. For Chief TV, I'm Nick Gaddy.